This is your KCTV5 News Update.
Governor Mike Parsons says the city of Springfield will receive additional resources to fight surging coronavirus cases there. The region has been inundated with new cases as the faster spreading Delta variant moves through areas with lower vaccination rates. The governor says the state will send equipment and personnel. The state of Arkansas has also agreed to provide mutual aid. This as one local doctor makes a stunning remark about coronavirus here in the Kansas City area.
I think what we have to recognize is that Kansas City and Missouri and Kansas are now the epicenter of this wave of outbreak, this third wave here in the United States.
Dr. Stephen Stites with the University of Kansas Health System says our city is one of the hottest spots for coronavirus in the country. We're glad you could join us here tonight for our news at 6. I'm Carolyn Long.
And I'm Brad Stevens.
This is the latest data being reported now by the Mid-America Regional Council. Take a look here at your screen. On the left-hand side, this graph on the left, that's the average number of new daily cases, now up to 440 per day. Still down from a peak near 1,300 last November.
On the right side of your screen, the number of people needing medical attention is also increasing. About 94 people per day are being admitted to area hospitals.
Now, that numbers are climbing so quickly that KU has even started to reject coronavirus patients from outside the region. Not necessarily just because of COVID, though. The hospital says other infections are also on the rise as people are shedding their masks and quit social distancing.
KCTV5 is your school authority. Depending on where you live in the Kansas City metro, the rules for masking this school year may differ.
But some doctors say no matter the rules, wearing one might be the best bet for some students. KCTV5's Greg Payne joins us live now to talk about why that is. Greg, what are they saying?
Yeah, Carolyn and Brad, right now, students under the age of 12 are not eligible to be vaccinated, and that's why doctors say that they should wear these. They should wear their masks, and that's even if the schools that they go to don't require you to wear masks and that it's optional. Now, officials from Children's Mercy say they're in the process of doing clinical trials to vaccinate kids under the age of 12. They currently have very limited spots, roughly 38, and thus far, they've had more than 5,000 people sign up. Enrollment is still open, but officials say by October they may be done collecting data to submit to the FDA in regards to this age group being vaccinated. And if all the stars align, the vaccine for kids under 12 could be available by November. But for the time being, doctors have this advice for kids in that age group until that happens.
Your kids need to be masked when they go to school. We've got to, again, we're in trouble in the community. We're at the epicenter of this outbreak in the United States. The Delta virus is much more transmissible than the original form from Wuhan. And we need to take it really seriously because our community's in trouble and our hospitals are in trouble.
Now, once again, that timetable of November, that's if everything goes absolutely perfect. Now, realistically, doctors say that they believe that vaccine will be available by early next year. Reporting live here in KCK, I'm Greg Payne for KCTV5 News.